What if I told you I started with like $5 on a daily basis when I started earning on YouTube? That was around 2 years back. I used to earn $5, even $2 per day. Now, for the last around 11 months, I put a target of earning more than $30. But today, I'm going to show you the amount of money I've earned almost in let's say in 6 months. Now, in 6 months, I've not been earning less than $20. Some days is $20 and some days is $5, some days is $50, but my target is always $50. Now, let's see. What if you earn $5 per day? $5 per day, it means in a week, that is by 7, you're going to be getting $35. Then in a month, you're going to be getting $140. Then in a year, which is 12 months, you're going to be getting $1,680. That is for somebody who is earning as low as $5. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine on the Market Show. Please, this is a mind-blowing video that I'm bringing for you today. After seeing the comments, after seeing the people that are following me, after seeing the questions and answers that are being given to me in my WhatsApp, in my messenger, on my email, I came to rule out that this month I'm going to dedicate it to the beginners, and strictly the beginners of YouTube. I've come to see that most people don't know that there is money on YouTube, and this money on YouTube is simple and easy to make. So this video is for people who are totally beginners, who are like, how do I do it? You know, the messages you normally send for me, you see on the comment section. Others are sending them on my WhatsApp. How do I do it? Is it true? Is it possible? This video is for you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial guru. I'm not a financial consultant. I'm not trained to come and teach you do this and do the other. But I'm here to give you the smart ways that I've used more than 3 years so far now getting money, and every day is a new day. I increase every day. So I'm giving you 10 smart ways that I've used to make money with YouTube. When I'm talking about YouTube, I'm not involving money for brand sponsorship, affiliate marketing, selling of products and other things for your shop. I'm only talking about, even membership we're not talking about. I'm talking about the money you are getting directly from YouTube as AdSense earning. This AdSense earning, as I told you guys, if you know you're there, let me just assume that you know how to start a YouTube channel. Let me also assume that you know how to start your monetization journey. Now, after you being monetized, this is for beginners. You people, come and be here. Let's make this money on YouTube. You can make money on YouTube with your smartphone without a hassle of running up and down for brands, because the moment you start making money, brands are going to come for you. You don't need to chase after them. They are going to chase after you. I have a bank of emails and communications with different brands. But what is your target? I want you to be near. There is someone out there who has been on YouTube and she cannot, or he cannot get $100 in a month, $500 in a month, to talk less, $500 in a month. Now, you guys, I've enjoyed this, and this is why I'm a testimony and I'm bringing it for you here. So if you want to earn money on YouTube, I'm giving you my experiences, what I've used. I don't need even a transcript. The transcript is here because these are the things that I replicate and do every day. So together with me, I'm going to dive in. But before that, thank you everybody that is watching and engaging my videos. I love you so much. And for you, my top engagers, I love you. This month is going to be a month of you concentrating on you. The first thing that you have today is to be consistent. If you want to earn this money on YouTube, when we are talking about earning money on YouTube, I'm not talking about $1, $2. I'm meaning at least you make sure you earn $200 and above. Now, suppose you're earning $200 and above. You guys, I want you to change it into your currency and tell me if it is my Uganda money and someone is in Uganda and sure that every month I'm getting $200. That is some amount of money that can cater for you on every 21st of the month. You can even be in position to walk somewhere and borrow someone and say, I'm going to pay you on 25th of the month, because you have money in you. So here I am, I'm saying, you people who are saying, how do I do it? You need to be consistent. What do I mean consistent? If I give my example, I upload every day. Now for you, you might not upload every day. I want you to at least upload once or 3 times in a week. I'm going to encourage you to upload 3 times a week. Why? When you upload 3 times in a week, there is a way you drive your engagement. 2, there is a way you increase your views. 3, and watch time. And these ones also increase the amount of money that you're earning on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, which ends up accumulating and giving you some good amount of money at the end of the month. Now, you people, consistency has helped me. I know some people wonder, how do I come on a daily basis? I come on a daily basis because I've seen a secret in it. It is quality plus quantity. When, like some of us, we are not yet known for us to put a video and it brings a lot of views and people watch till the end, people watch for 6 minutes to give you some good view duration. It means out of the 50 people, like I'm going to show you with on my screen, out of the few people that watch, I always get money. So I really have seen consistency making me grow, and it has made my channel grow from those small things, and they really have built trust with my viewers, especially the people who are always watching me. So consistency is number 1. The second one is focusing on variable content. I always aim to solve a problem or teach something that is variable in every video. If you've followed me, you've never seen me come here and I maybe talk something that is not variable or that is not going to give you to put for you an add-on. What do I mean variable? I'm a person who has vowed to fight poverty. So if I don't focus on variable content, imagine me, I'm teaching you how to earn money, how to make money. Then you see me giving a call, even to my friends, my circles. If you see me, I'm like those days 3 years back, I'm saying, Saturday has come and I have a lot of issues, this and that, my family, my that, please, can you lend me? You would not build trust in me. So I focused on variable content that is going to get me first out of need, out of lack, because I have a smartphone. Then from there, I push it and multiply it to you. As it is helping me, it is also helping you. So the third one is reducing unnecessary stress. What do I mean reduce? If you want to earn money on Facebook, on YouTube, now we are talking about you have to reduce unnecessary stress. What do I mean unnecessary stress? I'm going to make you laugh. I've reduced unnecessary stress of dressing up, of makeup, of location. These are 3 things, and if you know you want to earn money on YouTube, you have to reduce it. Do you know there are those people, there are those days, even me, including me as talk, I would take transport to look for a luxurious place, hotels, new areas for me to record a video. I would be there struggling to remove clothes. This is because I would feel, no, this one I've used it in my videos for a long time. I'd not known that people are there looking for value. I'm not saying that you should come looking funny. Do I look funny? No. You have to create something that is branded. Like me, I've created my brand. I know if you see me not putting on my Immaculate Show t-shirt, you don't see me in this t-shirt, you don't see me in the 3rd t-shirt. I have like 3 branded t-shirts. It means I'm going to I don't need stress. So don't concentrate on the makeup you're going to put, the hair, the weave, the style, the dress, and you forget that these ones are taking much of your time. So when I reduce those unnecessary stress, I made sure that instead of going to be changing a clothing like 3 to 4 times, you end up, I sit with my t-shirt, with my 2 t-shirts, I do 6 videos at a go. And 6 videos at a go, if I'm posting 2, those are 3 days. If I'm posting one, the other 6 days. So you can copy that for you to start earning big. Using AI bots has helped me so much for me to make sure that I meet my target. When I'm talking about my target, I mean everyday posting, everyday premiering, and even doing optimization. What are these AI bots that I've used over time that have helped me? I use ChatGPT, that is number 1. I give it 10 out of 10. I use others that if you want to know others, like 10 of them, put it in the comment section. So these AI bots, they have helped me in different ways. In making video transcripts, they have helped me, giving me trending up ideas that have helped me. They have even gone ahead to help me in optimizing. I've used them to do voiceovers. I've even used them to make for me videos, especially when I'm in that state of saying that I'm quite busy or I'm tired to make a video. So using AI bots has helped me sometimes, and even it has made my process become so faster, smoother, and easier. So when you're using AI bots, it means your money is sure, because you don't have, even if you're tired, you're going to say, okay, let me use ChatGPT to do this. If you're tired, okay, let me use a in video to do this. If you're tired, you have an assistant to help you do something. Then setting clear targets. Setting clear targets is number 5, the laziest way to make sure that I'm going to make money. What do I mean setting clear targets? I don't create now content. I don't create videos for fun. No, I set daily or weekly income and content goals. At the end of the day, I find myself, because I have a calendar, I have a target. So this target for the month, I break it in 2 days. And when I break it in 2 days, it helps me to know, even I will know, this month or is going to be affected because this day I was like this or like this. So let's go to number 6. I focus on earnings, not views. At first, you guys, let me make you laugh. I used to focus more on views. When I would say, oh my God, my views are not moving, my views are not, I'm not getting views. But after coming to see the amount of money I'm getting, and people with a lot of views are complaining, I was like, inshallah, thank you, God. So when you focus on the money that the videos are bringing, I'm telling you, some videos, of course, will give you fewer views. Actually, there will be fewer views, but you'll earn some more money because of better CPM. When we are talking about CPM, I mean cost per mile. That is cost per 1,000 impressions. I focus on topics that advertisers pay very well. That's why you see, every time I come with how to earn money, how to do this, how to do this, how to make this, how to make the other. This is what you are supposed to do. So if you want to make money, please do that also. Then learning more about AdSense. I keep researching how YouTube monetization works, CPM rates, and how to improve my revenue without breaking the rules. The last video I was telling you that you have to be sensitive. Why I always this month, as I record this video, my earnings are a bit low because I broke rules. According to the AdSense, I broke community rules, which me I've never accepted up to date, because I know it is pure, it is okay, it is not violating anything. But for you who is watching out there, you have to make sure, I need to learn new things. What are they talking about? What about the settings? How do I do my metadata? How do I do my thumbnails? What will attract the CPM to be high? These are the things you have to make sure that you focus on them, and if really choose the topics that advertisers will pay more money if you talk about them, if you premiere them. The 7th one or the 8th one is about using easy and friendly writing tools. You guys, these ones have helped me, because I find myself, even if I do editing, it will not take me time to understand my transcript. So I use tools like ChatGPT, what I told you. This one, it helps me in many ways, especially grammar and even in creating scripts. So this one, you find it has very few mistakes. Like now, if I've put like this video right now you're watching, I had to sit down and say, please, can you transcript for me my video, which is about the 10 easiest ways to use on YouTube and make sure you score money on a daily basis. Then I put 1. I fed it in. It did not give me. I said consistency, this. So I gave it and it brought for me very easy way, and also the grammar was so good. Then another one, I prepare content to save editing time. What do I mean preparing content? This one has helped me to make money on a daily basis. I prepare this content easily and properly. When you prepare properly, without, like, for example, if you come on a video, you start editing when you're not prepared, you will find it will give you hard time to edit, cut, subtract. But now I come prepared, and since I don't have a time, I told you I have a job which I work on 9 to 12 hours every day for 6 days. So it means I squeeze my small time to make sure that if I make the video, it should not take me again 3 days editing it. Then I also use very nice editing should I call them editing tools. These editing tools have helped me. They are not sophisticated. I use my mobile gadget, my mobile handset, when I'm traveling, when I'm cooking, I'm sleeping, I'm watching, I'm editing. I don't use laptop because I don't have that time. Because so you can also adopt that. And editing is something that also helps you, because if you don't edit a video, it means you're going to wait until you edit it. Then by the time you go to post it, time has already gone. I repurpose content, and I also create faceless videos. When I discovered this repurposing content, because before, when I would, for example, I've posted this video about YouTube, it means that chapter is closed. No, baby girl. Repurposing content is very essential because people are asking questions about it. You cannot type and answer. Sometimes you don't have even time to answer these questions. But if you go in and use the comments, use the questions to redo the video, that would be very nice. And this has helped me so much. So I always look at the video that is performing very well. It has a lot of engagement. I say, let me bring it back. People need it because it is not old. It's not a die-do thing that you have to post it once and finish. No. Then for faceless videos has helped me. If you go to see my videos, like in last month, by the way, I was putting my photo, my video on top, another different one. Why? Because you find I'm too much occupied to come and go in the camera. You're very tired. Remember, you have to build a brand. So it's not that you say, okay, no, you said it's about value. People will look at you and move away. And this is social media. This is internet. It stays there for some time. So what I do, I come and I do a faceless by doing a voiceover. So when I finish a voiceover, I go back and look for a video that I did long time ago, remove the voice from it, put this one on top, the voice praise on top. I do the editing, I come and post. This has helped me so much. You can also adopt it for me to make sure that I'm earning every day. Because if you earn every day, it means you're going to earn at the end of the month. So you guys, here I am. It's very easier for you to earn that money. We have said for beginners, $10, $20, $5. It's easier for you to earn it. But how do you earn it? Adopt these 10 easiest ways. You guys, thank you very much. If you've reached here and you've not yet liked it, I don't know why, please go to the comment section, share this video with your friends. See you in another video. Bye bye.